Take off to download your information. And a big right hand!
Off and he goes down to the body, but goes head on again. Big left hook!
Isang tubong La Trinidad Dinggit ngayon mga idol ang namamayagpag sa taas ng luna. Ito'y isang napakagandang balita na naman mga idol para sa ating mga boxing fanatic dahil may isa na namang prospect ang mga Pinoy mahusay at di kalidad ang mga kamao nito. Pagdating sa taas ng luna ay maaasahan at may taglay na katalinuhan sa laban. Matapos ang brutal knockout ang ginawa nito sa kalaban walang iba kundi si MJ Uduna kontra sa pangbato ng Iran na si Mandy Sobeytali, naganap ang kanilang laban sa Thailand. Ating balikan mga idol kung paano pinahirapan ng Pinoy ang Iranian boxer na ito.
A great boxing record of 8 fights, 8 victories, 3 defeats and 2 draws. So a lot of it in the favour of Uduna. Let's see if we can use it, Jim.
Yeah, a bit of a fencing match at the moment. Both fighters trying with their jabs, trying to find their range. Neither want to commit to their power shots just yet, which for 6 rounds. So the first round, it's a very good idea to really find your range and really find your... If you miss a powerful shot, you're usually open to a big one. And as you just mentioned as well, the first round tends to be a round that you take off to download your information. And a big right landed by John Michael Udana as we feet. Takes it like a champ. What a beautiful knock.
That was an absolute rocket, and it's not like Sabatali to go down like that. He looks hurt, keeping his hands up here. A good look at him. But Sabatali just wrapping him up in the clinch. He's really got to try and survive, do it. Chris Sanyadet giving Udana a bit of a telling off, and he goes down to the body, but goes head on again. Big left hook is it, I think, from the referee. Chris Sanyadet, good call from the referee. That left hook shook Sabatali.
I can understand why he wants to carry on.
Makikita sa kalaban na gusto pa nitong ipagpatuloy ang laban ngunit kung pumayag ang referee ay sigurado hindi ka na magigising pag tinamaan ka ng malakas na kamao ni Uduna. Nang kumunikta ang kaliwa ng Pinoy ay nayanig ang kalaban nito na para bang posteng bumagsak. Anong masasabi niyo mga idol sa bida natin ngayon? Comment lang po sa ibaba at pupusuan ko po yan. God bless, ingat.